This 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 RBE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 4 LP detector, awning, slide-out, stovetop burner, microwave, smoke detector, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, external shower, skylight, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 RBE is 5,125 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.